Good afternoon, country people them. Tori for this afternoon, we go talk which kind of palaver them. We be telling now for place where they talk say, they call them say Bonamikano. Now for that side, so for Douala Afo municipality where they for inside. Some Pikin, Ebiwan kill the papa for Seka say, he talk say, he papa sell the land. So for palaver for fire, we go turn back for that fire way pass. For quarter where they call them say Rayon Ver for inside Lokpom yesterday. 4 Pikin them, they die inside that fire. We go take una to, we go for some better roads where they call them say Nyala Chateau. For that road, no other express road for inside Cameroon, it pass express road where it dey for that side so for Nyala Chateau. To this say when newspaper then say they talk, we go bring them for this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say belle, e no the fear no nothing. Now for why that way it dey for before. I say belle, e no the fear no nothing. Now for seka why that way belle it dey na for before. Now Cornelius Aza, now he say we big part talk for today. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Na so we will be not tori for palava some papa way dey so a Pikin e be one finity one time. According to the papa, e be den a palava say e be sell land for help say make they look out some other Pikin way no be well for house. But Pikin he come, he vex, he ask and say why you get for sell my land. Na Bonamikano that where we don't enter already. Na papa he compound that way we dey for inside. When we even enter say for inside the house, no be na house where we go talk say something dey for inside. The house e joge e own kind of way. Na papa say that way e turn up for outside. E own inside e own house, all place e dey jaga. This one dey for e own side, another one dey for e own side. This one na after way e Pikin overvex, e enter for inside house, e talk say lie to lie. Land where you sell am for look out another Pikin wey no be well. You must to give me that money or the land. Na woman that way papa marry and way papa he the talk say na a Pikin and this woman. They don't plan, join hand, join up for say wetin. Make they come finish with you one time then take a property. Now when we look inside the house sef, you go look sef say property sef. Waiting there inside the house. Now Pikin come a can knock place, chakara place for Sika plenty vex way e vex say e papa e sell the land. But papa to say sell land now for look out another Pikin way e no be way. Now palava for say understand, but last understand e no be there for that place. Make we hear wait way papa get for tell we inside this palava.
Pikin where it is sick. When I begin for my Pikin, it may be with your mommy. When I know day again with your mommy don't come, you don't make only one day as you don't come. Then begin for sick. As you don't fall sick, you go find so woman will go treat you for that is sick. Then you might want treat you. My wife say no, you go must call a pa for be kid. I say no. You dey call the power for BKW, sick number be as difficult the power for be. May we find out some money for take threat Pikin. He say no, he go must cut he be king. For Shikov say na some plan where they be done, we don't plan which he Pikin. For say they go come kill me. I don't go find you some woman where he go walk down, he pass he being hot. I go call some woman. He say he go walk, that is sick. He say he want money, I don't put money for them, he walk.
So, when you put money for down a work, wetin your Pikin can do for house?
Oh, I want here. We don't chire karate. Boom! He knock my door. He meet me for inside room. He say, "As you been sat down plot for before for Shikov show one day, you take threat will never die. Eh? Today I don't come now for kill you. I go see how you go make am now. Where I no go finish with you." For me, donate. Now God, don't move me for your hand.
So, Papa says, he say na God. Na so for continue for to say God. Na he the look out. Make we enter for different side way accidents, ebiwowo, fire. For that side where they call am say Rayon Ve, na quarter inside Lokpom. You see that house now for far away, na better house. Na one section so for the house where fire enter for day. And this fire, so ten now, no man in ever fit for talk as well the fire start cash. But Congo side for corner, e talk say papa if you wan go chop, e forget pot on top fire. Now for side way fire e start. Other one they talk say they no sabi. Even papa say when they be dey ask papa say who side, how the fire start. See wey surprise people then I say stick for cupboard for kitchen. See as that stick no burn. Now for talk say true that stick e be true. But all thing for inside kitchen. I say all thing e burn. For inside one of the parlor, chair e burn, middle table, other chair them, and other small thing them as soon as they see them. All thing e burn. See even tele. Now the other small room than that, where all beds e burn. Then the one, now bed where they be sleep on top. All thing e burn. Now only the thing that they come out and for outside. Army rescue, they be dead. Even Central Commissioner number 4, they be dead. Other people then for 18 district, they be dead. All them so. Now for join hand. Now the last thing that way they sound for that picking them. Where they put them so inside happen. The small one the way remain. Now where they tie and so inside happen. All them. I saw the talk. They then for La Kentini Hospital. Now so, State Council, it is struggle for making investigate. Police people they say that is also continue for make investigate. But now, waiting happen for that fire. Why they no be fit for help that picking them? Now they answer this. The door so they put and so for middle house. And na iron, they no be fit for broker enter for inside. Now they do this, where it cause confusion. Where they block and people they can knock that door. Even the window say that it doesn't normal for normal house. The kind of window they no get for before inside house. When a family house, they say security for all corner, security for this side, security for this side. But now they do this way in make and they no be fit for let that picking them. For Sika say if the place if for they open, so for Sika Palava security, the picking them all that for picking them no for die. That picking them when they die, they get 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, and 2 years picking them. Now the 4 picking them that way they die. Primary school picking them all them so they never even reach college. So papa them and mommy them. It means say they get for start check now. How will they go born new picking them? We this also talk Asha for that family. We hear say they call them say Tala family for that side. So for Rayon Ve now for Lokpom with that one he pass. Make we hear wait to wait Captain Afu Hansen he talk after the fire way it happen.
6 o'clock or minutes above 5 o'clock was on fire where they burn for Lokpom here for some people they call and say Rayon Ve. When we can reach for the place, we notice and see some story building in the burn. And occupants inside the story building, they succeed. Although the people they've been an adult to succeed or run from the place, but now 4 kids where they may get from the place because from the room where they get them, their room forget outside, they get iron door. And the iron door not permit them to leave the place. If you see the place where the kids they die, it sure say since the heat and the fire they come towards them, they run go for one angle because they need to go through the door because it be difficult and risky. Now for the place where the smoke it come suffocate them for that angle. As you see, if you notice, I'm very well say all them die for the same place where now for one angle and for that angle window be there. Since the smoke begin them, they don't get means for open the window and for run from the place. We carry way back to the place where he would always talk say, when you want to build your house, not always think about thieves, but think about security. Security for you now in terms of how you feel save yourself in case of danger.
Very good. When you want build house, no check safety people they get for enter. Check now say if fire the cash, I go feel run come up for outside the house. Now they think that if that house the way they be built and they be check say when fire the cash will go feel run come out. We foresee as well for help that picking them, for help all that for picking them, they no be die. But they be check now, they say to people they feel enter house. If the people they enter, may they finish with this side, they no go feel for finish with this side. But fire now better thief man. When he enter where you know look out, he carry all thing go. Asha for the Tala family. Now so Palava for lights. Market for Dakar, we sabi the name say Madagascar market. That market na place where plenty things that they happen. People the way they sell can make their business. One the way they go for go buy. but palava dey for inside that market. Now for sika waiting. I say the market for Dakar, Madagascar market, like that. All kind of thing where you want for buy, you enter for inside market, you go see am. Now big market. Spaghetti o, that's where they call am when they say na worm. Whether na maggi o, salt o, even rice, sharp sand, all thing dey inside market. But the market people they waka do their normal work then, so people the way they get place for not business for inside the market. It means say one day they get house for market, they hear bath. I say they hear bath for sika waiting. Light. They say they don't put lights after another people they bring their own. Now other people they ask they say may they give around that kind of 75,000. Someone they say 50,000. For say na some new method the way they don't bring up. See how where they connecting they say for market. When light increase now, market start born, they go talk say, now the people there they look all like they never do their work fine. But see how they make the thing jaga. But their problem I say someone the day where they don't come for can't thief them. And that's why they come for can't thief them. Now way some of the business people they don't talk say lie to lie, they no go fit for pay that money. Say they no go fit for pay that kind of money. Say the one they ask their own. The one they ask their own. Some other even company say way the local lights it can give own be. So now all the thing then that way it don't vex market people them for that side for Dakar market. Steve Ebule, he be put a microphone for some one of the market man where he did do business for Madagascar market. If you want call am on Dakar market to that one na you sabi. The man go tell you the problem where they happen. Where they the one force them for pay some special money for sika palava for light. Make we hear.
For marché Dakar, yeah. People from marché Dakar, you call we lie. We don't know for what then you call we lie. Since 3 days, this no man for we family, no man know the chop. We know the get chop for picking for woman. Picking them when them the sick. We know the trap. We know the do nothing. Where we get machine for Dakar. Problem na say na people for Dakar called we lie for nothing. Where all we book now we book this for my hand. We I pay all my life. The hacks we say we come give them 75,000 francs for bureau before them give we lie again. Where we get abonnement. Now all my abonnement were abonné for an EOD. No get you plaba na we na people for market they call we lie.
So, country people them. We go take una we enter for inside some village where they call them say Ebang Minala. Yes, Ebang Minala. Now they name that for the village. That village. Now this year, the village here bad. House in no day. Now so poto road save no day. Now this year, even road for boom for pass, it they only go tight. Now their own bridge this, now their own river will bridge that. You see 2018 bridge for village people they no get bridge. Okada say before one pass na trouble. Water say for drink. Water no day for the people there. People they pass now for inside water for sika say we no day for them for pass. When rain is start fall, the people they go hear how they get their swine where they look at. But on top that one, even lights, know the village or Milala. Just see the small pikin that they pass a day. They way water rain is plenty for that place. How that place if you look. I say how the place if you look. So people then from Minala, they talk even for their early them. Say may they no only go to remain for you when they chop better chop. Then they let them they suffer. Road no day for enter village. I say road no day for enter village. See small moto, they can't type. For second say road no day. Bridge say for them for make better bridge may put the pass. Now 2 sticks there they don't put up. If the Okada fall with the 2 people them for inside water, they will talk say waiting. Say they be the worker. Water say where they don't talk say nothing that all mammals together. They say 2035 would go for before. But 2035 as well 2035 they go with the social thing nothing them. Thing that the social pass. Thing that the social pass. Make we level. That one na Milala. They go talk say na village where they for inside bush. And so waiting. No be na Cameroon. So if na village where they for inside plenty una no get right for fix am. Or you know they for inside Cameroon map. Now, some road they where they don't fix am for inside Douala here for Nyala Chateau. That road, it pass that road where they fix and sell for Manfi. It means say the expressway that road is there. The better quota where they don't put am for that road. Una for she don't quiet. Make we fair work on top the road small before I can talk. So, make we enter now, so we start knack to reef on top this road. On I say the road, you know, then for part for roadway, when train that they can they go the pass. Now road this way when water flop, see how we motor they struggle. We motor they the only ton. You will not sabi the whole, sabi whole day. You make mistake, your motor don't spoil. I say your motor don't spoil. Plenty people their motor don't spoil. Inside one day, at least 10 motor they spoil. Now the story that for Nyala Chateau. Yes, now the story that for that road for Nyala Chateau. We go turn back for day. Make we take una go for that side for Yawinde, for side where they call am say Tiko. Yes, na palava for fights. Say me rapun paper they no dey again for inside town. So people them for delegation for environment for that side for Boya. We na Ekwadi Songe. He says na that. Oga delegate. He carry all people they say me they go for Tiko Waf. Sabi say na for day way all kind of thing they pass for background. All kinds of they pass for backside. Enter for inside Cameroon. So then say they go for that side. They say me they do pick up any small thing, pick up any janja thing, pick up all bend down. Whether we go finish and today. Now that all them say even delegate they Now they say they talk say make them no one wrapping paper. But so today people they ask na question. Wrapping paper where they be talk say they go make away no go disturb people them their life. E dey for Cameroon so now question. And why it be say that no for wrapping paper then they also enter for country? How is the money enter for country? Another question. We will never fit for answer that. But sabi say the wrapping paper is no fine for we o. E no fine. Even as when governor don't talk say they go. Sabi say governor own machine, e dey go na small. Governor own machine, e go na small. Now for second why that way they talk say better make they start their palava say all wrapping them must come on for inside. See what na for what that for Tico. Now for day wey bad business dey happen. So they say make they start am for day. After they come out for day, they go for down beach for Limbe. They show we as well we fit use keep all the way e dey for plastic so that e no go worry people dem. Na palava big day for environment wey the council. Na way people dem for environment for Southwest. They don start teach people dem. For BB grammar they go talk say sensitize. People dem say this wrapping paper e no fine at all. Now prayer for Bishop Balai 1 year e be pass for Ebebga. Now for Saturday. Only way that water for Ebebga be carry flower for his skin. Throw it. Why? All father them for inside Cameroon they throw. Hey, it dey like say fish be get plenty better chopo. Fish wey dey chop na the kind of flower them. So it be then a big ngando for that side. As well they so father them. They be prayer for say make their combi. Jean-Marie Benoit Balawe they be meet up in moto empty for number 31 day for inside number 5 moon 2017 on top Ebebga bridge. Ebebga water. They will go back for day for go prayer for member as well they find in moto and as well they be finding 3 days after. So it will be a big ngando for that side. All bishop them inside Cameroon, all them they be there for Ebebga water day for prayer. Say make Jean-Marie Benoit Balai die body and his soul he rest fine for Saturday day. Sabi say something that no man never talk which way happen and which way it be pass. Inside the same chapter for church, just for Sabi say Emmanuel Balanjo Bushu Sesep, e be there for Boya for Kadle University for say congratulate for that picking them. Where they be go Musanga for that side so for Marwa Bringa. The first time where they win go Musanga. Reverend Father George Nkeze, Yan Mitori.
For any big country and for any fine country, when some man do some fine thing, the family talk say don't do some fine thing. So Founders Day, now that day way, the university, the talk say, we there for university because some man, someday we look up, talk say one start some university, go and say entrepreneur university. And that university don't bring so many blessings for this school. For picking them when they are abroad, they don't travel all over the world, faculty staff, that's one man we do. And that one man now, Bishop Mawe Bushu. For we for CUIB, we believe say, unlike many Cameroonians, when they see fine thing, they don't like to acknowledge them. When they talk say, when something fine, talk say someone do some fine thing. And so Founders they will talk say, Bishop Bushu will be studying university, if do some fine thing. And I will come for congratulate you and for praise say, make that fine thing we put in place, maybe we will continue on before. For any big country.
So, now Reverend Father George Nkeze, that's father for inside the Catholic University for side for Boyam. After Bishop Bushu, he be turned for inside the place more for talk congratulate for picking the way they go fight war, then come back with better result. Now, so make we talk other this palava for this Okada man. Now for that side, so for Boya, they call the place a Long Street for Boya side, where Okada man says where he don't deny say he no go ever wash. He no go ever brush him up. Na him own combi themselves Okada people them. They carry go for water where they wash Okada and moto them. They carry go put them for inside that water. They talk say for the man, Oga Gibet, you must to wash. I say you must to wash. Sabi say the man, all man where they enter for Okada, he complain. Gibet, why he didn't num so? Why he didn't num? Now when the Okada put they buy soap, they buy all the jabe, they buy all tea where they fuse and wash clothes self. They carry their combi go for water. Take time. They let me make him he come out he close them. He come out he close them. They let him make come out he close. Come out your close them. Come out all close them. Then after they say, "Paddy man, can we go for inside that water? We go for inside that water." People they don't over talk. Say you know the wash. Now that enter for inside water. Now your own combi they say they take hand, take soap, take all the jabe, take all kind thing there. They start washing. You see, no? Now your own combine that Okada people there. Now they say they take soap, put all thing for a system. They start washi. Talk say, Papa, your own num don't too much. It over smell. Try wash. You see, they put them up. Wash and so they wash it, empty them. Wash all thing for a system. They say you only be done too much. If you wear one clothes for I'll talk say na 1 year, or I'll talk say na 2 years. Now so they wash it, even brush it, nobody brush teeth. They take brush to the chook for inside mop, say, come for here. Open your mop. You say I'm up to the smell. They wash it fine. After they finish wash it all, they give you new clothes, new shoes. Then they give one man to may use and wash ibele. You understand? Country fashion. Now the thing that we pass for that side for Long Street, for inside Boya. Now we go talk small palava for die with just for member say Ella Geoffrey we na Tory man for inside the Sun newspaper too. Now this weekend so called the people way pass where they be bury Ella Geoffrey. He die body. He start for work and for Friday for that side so for Limbe Regional Hospital where family peoples, Tory peoples where they come up for all kind of place and even big people there like Senator Mbela Muki Charles. All them be there for say me they see Ella Geoffrey and for talk say Ella Geoffrey bye Ebibina editor in chief for the Sun newspaper. Plenty Tory people them they be there for talk Asha for Ella Geoffrey and apart from the Tory people them as well talk we get Senator Mbela Mukicha Sesep where he too he become meet up with the Tory people them for talk Asha for them sabi say Senator Sesep he be na correct combi for Tory people them for that side so for inside Southwest. So when Tory man die he dey like say na own person Sesep will die. So Senator Sesep and other Tory people them all they be there for talk bye for Ella Geoffrey be the editor-in-chief for the Sun and newspaper. Sabi say Ella Geoffrey died na after we some Okada a movie for game where he just come out for Douala for do some work. He one cross enter back. Then one time Okada he can movie for game. Then one time he die. So Ella Geoffrey he start for worker for that side so for Limbem and Senator Sese Aswa Tong Belamuki he be dede. Now make we see as well be happen for village Sese for Bangem. Sabi say after Boya Limbem will be go to for Bangem site where he be then na side he be then at the last place where they go bury him. Now time that way moto he be land for Ella Geoffrey he village where they call and say in Kikom for Kupe Maninguba a subdivision. So he be then a BB cry too as we die body for Ella. He come with people there where they come up for Limbem for Canberry Ella. Sabi say it been a big crime and big losses for family for Ella where he dey so na a big mami sesep he be lukoti so te he be big as we dey so ino sabi papa and ino be sabi imami. So he big mami he be only remain for village only for you for come meet up say he picky way don't look out and so they be feel say na he go give small chop na he wey the pikin say he don't die. So na the villagers for Bangem where they carry Ella go for day even big mami say cry so they way he no be there for SSF for cry for sika say the thing he be really passy. Na big mami that as soon as they see na big mami that for Ella. So can the people them now for day we finish story them for this afternoon. Maybe we'll go quick enter for story the way newspaper then talk before we finish this afternoon for this side. Inside the Star newspaper we there for outside this afternoon country people them the Star newspaper waiting there for the strong number for inside the Star. We go take one strong number for them. The Star newspaper we there for outside it announce it talk as we minister Aremen got a house the born am for man fame. No man no sabi waiting happen for that house where he born. So for inside the Star, you feel read some story where talk say Presbyterian church pastor, when a Presbyterian church pastor for Likoko Membia, Pastor Bizu Felix, and 14 other people they sleep straight for some accident where he pass. Other story the them where if you read them for inside the Star, as we even talk as we fun for Fontem, if we go do some small worker for governor office for that side so for Southwest. We go enter for inside another story we dey for outside the Sun or the Post newspaper. Inside the Post newspaper, they detail we say Northwest population. They talk for Mosongese waiting. Say they don't tire for a commission. This one now for the work away Mosonge be make for inside Northwest. They tell we to as we Babenga prison. Prisoner people then they don't free after we the prison sesep be born. Other tori dey for inside the post wey you fit read am. We enter now also for inside the Guardian Post newspaper. They tell we say wetin palava for northwest and southwest. Plenty church people dem for Presbyterian church. They don detect technically call them wey e dey so wey na some people there they no sabi them. They dey talk say make they help money. If not, they go show them pepper. Now for inside chapter for northwest and southwest. Sabi say na today too wey Oga Minister for Transport Jean Enes a camp for can start for launch some program where they get for comot all cargo them for Douala Seaport for say make space e enter for them. Make we enter now so for the Sun newspaper say we dey for outside. Inside the Sun, they tell we say wetin Frundi. He don't talk another one again. He tray for on top the arm. This one na for chapter for Pin. Wetin wey happen for Pin according to wetin wey Frundi talk. Na for show say wetin Nkunkuma he no like Anglophone people them. Tori too for the Sun, he big editor wey die, he dey too for inside the Sun, and palava confusion for SDF too for Southwest, he dey for day. So now the tori then that way newspaper then talk. Maybe the last one will enter for the na Eden newspaper. Before we forget, Eden newspaper to be come out for outside today. Just for sabi say Eden too, he carry na the same tori them. We other one they carry, but this papa don't lost. Na pa that this by name they calling Awunga Fact David. He lost for number 2 day for inside this very moon around that kind of 7 o'clock for sun time. They talk say already pa he come out for a house where they call him say non-glacé. Pa he be wear some trusses where he gets some trusses and some shirt for his skin in a white color. They say the pa he talk French and English and the pa he hate in no turn up fine. So any person, papa, the family, they call an Awamba family, they beg any person who don't see this papa or they keep the papa, make he call this thing number them 672-093-624, 676-654-944, or he bring it for a Kingdom Story House. They say plenty dash. Et dit you. La famille Wamba annonce la disparition de leur père, le nommé Awunga Fact David, le samedi 2 juin 2002, aux environs de 7 heures du matin, au lieu dit village, si à non glacé. Au moment de sa disparition, M. Awunga Fact David s'était vêtu d'une pantalon de couleur marron et d'une chemise de couleur blanche. M. Awunga Fact s'exprime en langue française et en anglais. Il ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés physiques et mentales. La famille Wamba prie toute personne qui hébergerait leur père de bien vouloir se rapprocher du service commercial Equinox télévision ou là, au défaut de leur contacter au numéro suivant 672-093-624-676 654-944 contre une très forte récompense. So, now the story then that for this afternoon, we want to say big thank you for Lady Pone and Matilda Kemazu with the joy hand for saying me this story work fine. I'll go turn back for some time tomorrow. Make una all tight.